Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make custom TNT bows. So what you want to do is type in /give @p command _ block, which will give you a command block like I have in my hotbar. And then for this to work, you'll need a bow. So you'll have to do /give @p bow. And then you got that. Now, for what these are going to do, we're going to need two command blocks. This one will find the arrow, which is set to repeat, unconditional, always active. And this one will summon the TNT above the arrow, which is chain condition, always active. Now, to make this, you'll need to place down anywhere whilst holding shift, and place one of these and place another one on top while facing downwards at it. Then for the first one, you would want to set it to repeat, unconditional, always active, and then type in the following command: /testfor @e, and then this weird bracket, type equal, and then arrow, and then to end it off with one of these other brackets. Then for the top one, you want to put in and change it to chain conditional, always active, and put in the following command: /execute @e, then that weird bracket again, type equal, arrow, and then you want to continue with these squiggly lines, having a space for after each one. And then I want you to type in the next command here: summon TNT, and then this is important, squiggly line, don't space, and then press 1, then space, and then another squiggly line. And there you have it. That will activate it so the bow will do this. Let me get away from this side. And you might want to move so you don't get blocked. Oh, the chunk isn't loading. There we go. You can see how far it goes. So it's pretty OP and strong. And you can do it in any which way, as many times as you like, as long as you don't lag the place out. You can go down. You can go up. Which actually looks pretty cool. So I think that will be the end for this episode of how-tos. So I'm going to have to say goodbye.